everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen and I'm back with another Tuesday morning haul. So the last time I went there I really found some cute things and I thought I'd go ahead and share that with you guys. So I did find some Bella Boulevard Wonky Alpha Puffy stickers as well as the Puffy Heart stickers, and I think I've seen some of you guys haul this. It's just so pretty, and it's kind of it's not glossy, it's like a matte finish it looks like. Anyway, this one's called Cotton Candy, and there is the SKU number in case you guys are looking for this. It was $1.49. This is $1.99, and there is the SKU number there. And isn't that pretty? I just love the colors. And I thought this would go with a collection that I just picked up. And then you have this, it's called Punch Alphabet. Huh, is that what it's really called? Okay. Anyway, it's another Wonky Alpha sticker that is a different color. Yeah, they look like they're exactly the same. So yes, I picked those up. I picked up this Bow Bunny, and I did find a few Bow Bunny items. This one's the layered chipboard, and it is part of the Felicity Bow Bunny collection. So this one's the layered chipboard. Really pretty, and I just love the colors, you guys. Really, really pretty. And there's, in case I didn't show you, $1.99, so you can't beat that, you guys. And just to show you guys, Bow Bunny just has like such pretty packaging. When you take this out, you can still use this part. I mean, look how pretty that is, and it's glossy. So you can definitely use that for a tag. You know, you can cover this up with white paper and use it as a tag, but I just thought I would just share that. You know, use also, you know, the packaging if it's pretty like this. So I just love the colors, and I don't know, now I'm gonna maybe have to look for this collection, but this was the only one I found in this collection. But I did find another collection. I mean, I really scored this time around when I went, because the past few times that I've gone there, I haven't really found that much. I found the Sweet Moments collection. And again, these are older collections, you guys. So this one, I believe, is from 2016. Let's see. Doesn't really have a year on here, but I want to say it's 2016. And this is the 6x6 paper pad, so it was $2.99. So there is the SKU number, and this has a sweet theme. So let me just share. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit because it's kind of a small paper pad. I love it. So I had seen this before a couple years ago, but I just never really paid that much attention to it. And I was so lucky, you guys, that I found the layered chipboard. Look how gorgeous. Their layered chipboard is really, really pretty. I don't have a lot of Bow Bunny. In fact, I think I could only think of one small collection that I bought online, I think. Maybe a couple. But yeah, I think I have a couple. They tend to be, you know, kind of pricey, I think. But they're really pretty. And, you know, these are glittered and they have bling on it. It's just so, so pretty. Oh, and there's the SKU number in case you want to look for it. And then we have the Noteworthy, which is a million pieces in here. If I have time, I will go ahead and open this for you guys and share. I think I will. And then I could not believe I found all these little elements, you know, and they were all the same collection. So I just scored. This one is the chipboard. And I don't think they're stickers. I think they're just chipboard pieces that you pop out. And again, here is the SKU. And it's just really, really pretty, you guys. And you guys know I love sweet themed things. And then look, you get some more in the back. I mean, for $1.99, oh my goodness. That is just gorgeous, right? And you can definitely stickle these up and make them glittery. And look at the banners. So pretty. So let's open up the Noteworthy since I think this is a very small haul. Good luck finding it, you guys. Thanks for watching.